Did you ever waste a thought on how much cognitive effort goes into folding a towel? Probably not. As a human, you can easily recognize seams and wrinkles. But to robots, this task presents an extraordinary challenge. Let's take a look at a typical industrial laundry process where thousands of towels are handled each and every day. The dirty towels are loaded into a washing machine. Afterwards, the water is pressed out and the towels are moved to a dryer. Following this step, they're automatically delivered to a folding machine. This is where the process still depends on human labor. Now, the towels are picked up by a worker, smoothed down, and placed on a conveyor belt. From here on out, the towels are folded and finally delivered to a wrapping machine. To speed up this process, we provide a system capable of closing the gap to a fully automated industrial laundry. We have been working tirelessly on an intelligent handling system for textiles. To achieve this, we use the newest camera technology and highly sophisticated computer vision software. We combine them with deep learning methods and application-proven gripper systems. Our underlying principle is simple. We aim for a solution best suited for all applications of textile handling to deliver a truly astonishing result. Finally, let's talk about the most important part, our team. We have all studied mechanical engineering at the Technical University of Munich. During our studies, we have also acquired skills in diverse programming projects, providing us with the capabilities needed to realize our vision. We're Sewts, and our vision is redefining textile handling.